In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 ways you can start making serious cash with email marketing. And stick around till the end because I'll show you how you can get started for free. Alright, let's dive in. The number one way you can make money with email marketing is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways. You promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a matchmaker between great products and the right audience. Find quality affiliate programs, write engaging emails, and boom, you are on your way to passive income. The next one on our list is digital products or your own products. If you have got a digital product, a course, an ebook, or a coaching program, email marketing is the best way to sell it. Your email list consists of people already interested in what you have to offer, making it way easier to convert them into paying customers. Build your trust, provide value, and pitch your product in a way that feels natural. The next one on our list is paid newsletter. Why give away all your best content for free when people are willing to pay for premium insights? A paid newsletter is a fantastic way to generate a recurring income. If you provide exclusive tips, make market insights, or industry secrets, people will gladly pay a monthly fee to get access to your golden nuggets. The next one on our list is sponsored emails. If you've built a sizable email list, businesses in your niche will pay you to send out promotional emails for them. It's like influencer marketing but in the inbox. Make sure to partner with brands that align with your audience's interests to keep engagement high. Last but not least, you can sell digital services. For instance, if you are a freelancer, consultant, or service provider, email marketing can help you sell digital services like web design, copywriting, or coaching. Use email sequences to showcase your expertise, offer value, and convert subscribers into paying clients. The key is to building relationships and showing how your services can solve their problems. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how do I actually start? That's where System.io comes in. It's an all-in-one platform that makes email marketing super simple. You can create email sequences, automate campaigns, and even build landing pages, all for free. If you want to start email marketing without spending a dime, System.io is your best bet. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. Now you know 5 powerful ways to make money with email marketing. See you in the next video.